Our garden pavilion embodies the concept of harmonious coexistence, drawing inspiration from the complex relationship between a bird and its nest. When birds create nests, they don't damage the trees, they adjust to fit the surroundings. The design of our pavilion is rooted in the metaphor of a bird nest, cradling an oak tree. Rather than removing or altering the tree, it becomes an integral part of the pavilion, serving as a natural roof and a testament to the enduring beauty and resilience of the natural world. This reflects our commitment to adapting rather than dominating the environment. The nest symbolizes security and protection, while the oak, with its deep roots and towering presence, represents strength and endurance and wisdom. Our pavilion seeks to capture these qualities, providing a space that is both resilient and respectful for its natural surroundings. In applying the elements and principle of design, the model showcases a deliberate use of lines with the fences vertically and the platforms horizontally, providing structure and visual direction. Shapes are strategically incorporated, blending the platform's geometric form with the tree trunk's cylindrical shape, complemented by the stair for a natural contrast. The color palette evokes tranquility through earthy brown and greens, enriched by subtle variation in the stone and cushions. Balance is achieved through a mix of symmetry and asymmetry, highlighting the tree as a focal point within a balanced landscape. Lastly, Rhythm is established by the repetition of fence, folds, and stepping stone, creating visual interest and guiding the eye, while variation in height and spacing add dynamism, culminating in a design that is both unified and aesthetically pleasing.